coming in. So I've got 9 orders today. I think got 1 replacement as well. It's just the same controllers today, nothing special. I'm gonna bag them up Royal Mail collection for tomorrow. I think the total for today is £153. So I got 2 I'm missing from yesterday, what I still need to do. So that's an extra £30. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pack the orders now and just put them in a bag really, and get them ready for collection for tomorrow morning from Royal Mail. So that's all the 10 orders done right now, but I've just realised I made 1 mistake. Someone's asked for some ties what go with the actual Wii remote, what you can attach to them to basically like a wrist strap. So I got to find the one which I've not added this to it and add this to the padded envelope as well. So that's about everything done for the day. It's a quick one really, just a few minutes. Well, not really, 20 minutes. But until tomorrow, some more packing, hopefully. More orders, I'm praying for. But yeah, thank you for watching and yeah, keep tuning for the next one.